it's recording.
Could you do that one more time?
Can you
I missed it.
Can you show us now the prototype? Show us how it works now.
Okay.
Huh?
The sister takes the clothes from the closet. And what is your problem you're trying to accomplish or trying to
She
solve?
just explained it. Now show us the prototype.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get it on. Excuse me. Ooh, look at that. Did you see that?
Oh my god.
Look at that.
She's coded a program. Tell us what you did to make that happen. So you put some code in the computer? Okay, what did you do with that code?
Put it back up there so we can see it. Oh!
It's stuck. It's stuck. Wait, here. I'm gonna let you tell. Sorry, I didn't.
So this is a way to get automatically her clothes from the closet? Is that what's going on?
No, it's a thing to keep her out of the closet.
Oh, to keep you out of her closet. Whaps you right out, huh? Oh.
That's great.
I love it.
That's hilarious.
Was that your mom? Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Can she see it?
Okay, hold this.
That's so funny. All right. It's designed
So it whaps her,
to
huh?
keep Rosie out of her closet. Yes. It has to come out.